the upload that can create quotes video, like you can create relationship quotes, dating quotes, anything quotes like relationship quotes, positive quotes, impressional quotes, motivational quotes, or anything like text if you want to create. I think let's go to scenario section. I think it is removed. This is the part 2. I can turn off and turn on my laptop, so it is working now. Music agent, I think. Click on create a new scenario. I can give you these resources on Gumroad in my description, so you can download it here. So I can also provide you a prompt also. Just click on here, click on import blueprint. Now I get you everything from beginning to it. Click on that, click on import blueprint, click on choose a file, go to use this workflow. I can provide you with edited and with extra version, so rename it Canva Real Automation. This is the rename, and let's create a Google sheet first. So we need a sheet. Go to here. How can I create that? So I also provide you prompt. So this is the prompt that I used. I think it is still refreshing. So okay, it is working now. Mouse. Go to Canva on Mac, and I think this is the workflow that I provide you in this session. So let's open the Google sheet and Canva and ChatGPT. This is the prompt that I can use. So Canva can only generate accept 300 quotes. I can generate 1000, so I need to split them. So you don't do that, only paste right 3. This is for billionaire mindset. If you want to generate for like dating tips, you can also do that. If you want to generate for self-help, go with, see what you like, and I simply download that. If you simply provide a copy paste version, so go to your sheet and paste it here. Then I go to I think I also provide you this workflow. You don't need to worry about. So you can simply go to file and click on a make a copy. Click on a make a copy, so it will copy. So you can use that. You simply need to replace. So how can I start to do and done function? I can also teach you. So for doing that, go to click on this and go to for data and data validation. Click on that and click on add a rule. You can add that rule. So click on add a rule, and you can already add to do, and this is done. Okay, now so I can do that. So we need a video section. Go to Canva. I think let's remove this. So we simply need to use this template. So click on a real section, and so if for this method you need a 2 options. You have, you can create a bulk of really on yourself, or you can use Canva to automate that to create 300 really on at once. So let's go with this. So in the previous video I can show you. Here is winner. Let's connect quotes. For this we need to use, go here and click on a bulk create. So this section is available on, go to app, and you can't find it, go to app and then click a bulk create, click on upload. Okay, simply cross this. Go to app and here you can find a bulk create. If you can't find it, so this version is only available on pro plan on Canva. If you are free plan, so it was also on free plan, now it can make Canva make it on a pro plan. So I can split with this website, our Google Sheet. Let's go with the quite so I simply open that. So Canva is opening our Google Sheet, we need to present it. I think I don't make it short. In previous time my laptop is got like, simply click on that and click on connect data, click on this, go to quote and we click on continue, so it can generate 3000. Let's click on continue. Click on generate 300 design, click on that. Now boom, it will create 300 design for us, so we can use that to make it on. Click on wait, so we need to patient. My laptop is lagging. Okay, it is generating now, so we move to the next step. So it is generated in project section. Let's create on go. I also choose another design. So I can generate 3 of them and I can automate with lesser squads. I like to template from here. We can choose business squad and personal squad. There are tons of. We can also use this method to create a I think I use this. I think this one, the above one. So this is our Instagram account. I say you people can use my. I don't want to add any watermark. I say that people use my video and repurpose. I don't give any strike. I think I forget one thing in my video, that I forget to add a audio. Please sorry for that. If you don't, I think the video have audio or not, or something audio is pro. I simply the watermark and I simply go to audio. I simply upload. I have upload the audio. My laptop is still lagging. Go to upload section. Here I go to audio section and this is the audio that I like, so I can download it and I can split it 5 seconds. Here you can see that. Now go to the bulk create section, go here and click on that, click on upload data, click on that. I think I need to delete. I need to create. Let's choose billionaire mindset quite CSV3. Let's go here, click on 3 section, click on connect to data, and quotes. You can also add a author, so let's add a author here. Connect to data and connect with the author. Click on continue, and this is click on that continue section, so it can generate 300 designs for us. You have see that I like one music also, so I can use also that. So I am downloading that music, so it can generating now. Let's click on it. Okay, the design is saved on project. Let's I open my Telegram account. I think I am leaking my information. That is okay for you. No one is watching, only you. Why my laptop got stuck? It is not opening. Okay, let's open this on. Click on enter. I think it is open here, so it is open on here, so it is too good. I think it is not opening. It is redirect to Telegram. Click on open.